Ever wonder why people crack their knuckles and hear those satisfying pops when they stretch their fingers and wrists? The sharp sound comes from tiny gas bubbles forming and collapsing in the joint fluid when joints are suddenly stretched. Cracking doesn't damage the joint, and some studies suggest it may momentarily release pressure, though it won't loosen joints long term. Most people crack knuckles out of habit or to relieve a fleeting urge, not because their joints actually need help today. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.